Hey, what's up guys? I'm out here today in the garage. Got the battery done. There's different size posts, the thickness wise. There's these, and then there's thinner ones. And I had to finally get that right. And there's longer and shorter threads, and there's Phillips or Allen key. So, just got done. There's the Bosch battery out. Shake a knife to that, and there we go. We got her in, the motor's running. She's fully charged. Sweet. Super happy. I took a minute and I insulated it with foam insulation. You can see a nice foam skirt around the whole entire battery, bottom, top, side. And then I tucked it in with some Gorilla tape, black Gorilla tape. And this bitch ain't going nowhere. I can literally move the car with it. You can see the car moving. So, we's done. We got the new battery in. We can shut the hood now. There we go. Now, let's check out the current. Let's see how she holds up on some notes here. All right, English. Okay, apps. Everything needs reset since I disconnected. Go CD.
I want to hear that beat, right? Bring that beat back.
Jody Breeze, Young Jeezy, Big G, Luke, Easy E, Wiz,
Yeah, big difference. I can fucking already tell. Huge fucking difference, man. These fucking amps are getting the fucking voltage they need now. Now I almost want to get the amp done, but you know, let's do it one step at a time. I'm in no fucking hurry. This amp doesn't do too bad. Subsonic on. We don't want to hit them fucking low ass notes. All right, let's see what it does with the door open. No dimming. Fuck yeah. That's not even up. I need to do something about this roof. It sucks that it does that. With the black we ain't talking to you, but I put it on them.
breathe again, breathe again. One of y'all breathe again. And I know it's so try not blow true. Why I say the gin? And things that seem a little different. I feel pimping deep within.
Alright. What we're gonna do is, just to be safe, I'm gonna throw the battery on the charger. We only have one Farad cap in here too, man. I don't know, I'll have to open that up eventually and see how that cap's doing. Cause it's older too. I don't want it being a draw in my system. So let's get this battery the fuck out of here. Ugh. She's a heavy fucker. Oh, that's a big bitch. It's a good battery, man. Use it for the bench, fuck it. Alright, so let's get the charger and see what we're at voltage. And get this, let's get this fired up. Let's see what we can do here. Grab everything here. God damn it, I ate salsa and it's fucking tearing me up. I love salsa and chips, but god damn, shit will fuck me up. Alright, so get the terminals on. Okay, let's bring some electricity over. Hold on 1 second. All right, we're back. Let's put it on AGM. And let's hit it with the 25 volts. Okay, just taking a charge, not much. We're at 14, saying 14.9, 15. Is that true? Oh, damn. Saying we're at fucking 15 volts. I don't know, but we need to get a ground. We need to get a new ground going here. I don't know where at on this Jeep is a good place to get a fucking ground, man. Maybe on this post here. It's so close to the pulleys, I don't like that. Yeah, it already shut down. It says full. So, saying 13.2. Full charge. So, there's no charge in this. She's ready. Just wanted to make sure 100% it was good to go, and she is. You see it with your own eyes, guys. Charge her back. Okay. I don't know where to hit it with a fucking ground. Damn this. Anybody know where I can ground the Jeep battery up here? I don't know where that support bar goes, over to here. It bolts down right there, but that's not the engine. I could loosen this air compressor bolt right there. Fuck, guys, I don't know. There's I could ground it right here. There's a Hose coming off the back of here. I could run a nut and bolt through this and ground this. I don't want to ground near the fucking pulleys. I guess I could pop this air box off, take all the air lines off, and see if there's anything under it. Guys, I need help. Where do I fucking bolt the ground to? Should I go under the motor and find something? And I'm looking at this. If this is a fucking ground right here, this pigtail thing, look at it. It's fucked. It looks like a ground. It goes to the motor. And if that is, look at this. It looks like it's gonna fucking fall apart. That ain't good. And I'm not gonna fucking yank on it or nothing, but damn, that don't look good at all. Huh. Fuck, I'm so lost. I'm lost in finding the ground. Guys, help me out. I need to find a fucking ground. There's some grounds on the side here. I could clean one of them up, put my ground in and go to the battery. And then from there to the motor. Fuck. I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to get down to the frame maybe. Place it down here. Down. I don't know. If you guys can help me out and tell me what the fuck. I need to get this fucker grounded. I need to ground from the battery to the frame. From the frame or the battery to the or the motor. And I have a ground in the back, so if I can just get a couple grounds in up here, I think I'd be good to go. I should do the big 3 on this alternator too. Let me see how fucking bad this wire sucks. This is why I haven't done the amp yet. Yeah, look. That little wire is giving me all that current. That ain't shit. We need to replace that. We need to replace that and go from that straight to the battery. But I don't want to do that until we get some more ground. All right, well, I don't have the time to do this today, but at least we're getting somewhere with the battery and shit. I'm gonna hold off on the amp for now. And we'll go from there. Oh my God, I have heartburn. I spit this chew out. But I appreciate the dude in the comment. I'll look up your name. Giving me pointers on this amp here I'm fucking with. I think whoever put these transistors in right here, these output MOSFETs or whatever, these output MOSFETs are fucking no good. So that's where I'm at on this amp. I think I'm just gonna tidy it up, put it back in for now. And we'll get these two ordered in. TIP 2955 and a TIP 3055. And you bring them over here and you put them the opposite way. The 95 would go diagonal across from it, and then the 35 would go diagonal across from it. So we'll look them up here in the next few days and get them ordered in. I do want to get this back up and running. This amp is just gorgeous. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love the looks of it. So pretty. And the fact that it's from like 90, anywhere from 94 to 98 is when that amp came out. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Peace out.